look up over beautiful Lake Terra, and enjoy Georgia's most scenic fireworks display. Happy 4th of July from Fairfield Plantation.
My favorite part of 4th of July is the fireworks here in Fairfield.
Far, we've been traveling far, without a home, not without a star. Free, only want to be free. We're huddled close and hang on to a dream. On the boats and on the planes, they're coming to America, never looking back again. They're coming to America, home. Don't it seem so far away? We're traveling light today, in the eye of the storm, in the eye of the storm. Home to a new and a shiny place. Make our bed, we'll say our grace. Freedom's light burning warm. Freedom's light burning warm. Everywhere around the world, they're coming to America. Every time that flag's unfurled, they're coming to America. Got a dream to take them there. They're coming to America. Got a dream they come to share. They're coming to America. They're coming to America. They're coming to America. They're coming to America. They're coming to America today. Today. Today.
we got the flag up now, and you can see the stars and stripes.
Love me some Lee Greenwood. God bless the USA.
If tomorrow all the things were gone, I'd work for all my life, and I had to start again with just my children and my wife. I thank my lucky stars to be living here today, 'cause the flag still stands for freedom, and they can't take that away. And I'm proud to be an American, where at least I know I'm free. And I won't forget the men who died, who gave that right to me. And I gladly stand up next to you and defend her still today, 'cause there ain't no doubt I love this land. God bless the USA.
What Independence Day means to me is freedom, independence, to me Southern heritage, and America. God bless America.
Born down in a dead man's town, the first kicker took us when I hit the ground. End up like a dog that's been beat too much, till you spend half your life just to cover him up now. Born in the USA, I was born in the USA, I was born in the USA. Born in the USA now. Got in a little hometown jam, so they put a rifle in my hands, sent me off to a foreign land to go and kill the yellow man. Born in the USA, I was born in the USA. Born in the USA, born in the USA.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
If everybody had an ocean across the USA, then everybody'd be served like California. You'd see them wearing their baggies, Warachi sandals too, a bushy blonde hairdo, serving USA. You'll catch them surfing at Del, Ventura County line, Santa Cruz and Trent, Australia's Caribbean, all over Manhattan, and down the Meany Way. Everybody's gone surfing USA. We'll all be planning out a route we're gonna take real soon. We're waxing down our surfboard, we can't wait for June. We'll all be gone for the summer, we're on safari to stay. Tell the teacher we're surfing USA. And Anchor Keys and Swans, Pacific Palisades, San Onofre and Sons, Redondo Beach, LA, all over La Jolla, and Waimea Bay. Everybody's gone surfing USA. USA. Yeah, everybody's gone surfing, surfing USA.
Hi, I'm Ed.
I'm Monty. We're the Noax, and happy 4th of July.
God bless America.
Oh, beautiful, for heroes proved in liberating strife. Who more than self their country loved, and mercy more than life. America, America, make God thy gold refined, till all success be nobleness, and ever again divine. And you know, when I was in school, we used to sing it something like this. Listen here. Oh, beautiful, vast, spacious skies, far amber waves of grain, far purple mountain majesties, over the fruited plains. But now wait a minute, I'm talking about America, sweet America. You know, God done shed his grace on thee. He crowned our good. Yes, he did. Heavy brotherhood from sea to shining sea. You know, I wish I had somebody to help me sing this. America, I love you, America. You see, my God, he done shed his face on thee. And you ought to love him for it, 'cause he crowned our good. He told me he would. Every brotherhood from sea to shining sea. Oh, Lord, I thank you, Lord.
Hi, I'm Tiffany Becker. This is my husband, Jeff. And we love living in Fairfield, and we're so excited about the 4th of July festivities. Everybody enjoy and be safe.
Just want to wish everybody a happy 4th of July and enjoy your freedoms.
Ignite the light and let it shine just on the night, like the 4th of July. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come on, show 'em what you work. Make 'em go as you shoot across the sky. Baby, you're a firework. Come on, let your colors burst. Make 'em go You're gonna leave 'em all in love. Got my hands up to playing my song. I know I'm gonna be okay. Yeah, it's a party in the USA. Yeah, it's a party in the USA.
Hi, I'm Tim Tolson. Happy 4th of July, everyone.
Listen, listen.
yell, "Free bird!"
Free bird!
'Cause I'm as free as a bird now. And this bird you cannot change. Oh, and the bird you cannot change. Just as free. Free as we'll ever be. Just as free